Right. Now that the installation has been completed, you will get to the screen, right? This is where you have to provide your server. Remember, you'll be the administrator on that server. So you have to give it a password. The password must be strong enough. I'll suggest that it must have capital letters, small letters, numbers, and so forth. So, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to say password one, password one. You'll have to confirm or re-enter the password that you entered in here, right? And then you finish installation. Right. Right. We will wait. It will right. Now we're done. Now we can log into our machine. It says here, press Control Alt Delete to unlock. When you press Control Delete, Alt Delete on your keyboard, you must be aware that you will be pressing Control Alt Delete of the physical machine like this, and you may get to this task manager screen of the physical machine. So I'm going to cancel. How do we do that? Left corner there, top left corner, you'll see this. It has three buttons. When you point at it, it will say Control and Delete. Alternatively, you can click on Action, Control, Alt, and Delete. Now, click on that. You'll be required to provide your password. Password 1, and then enter incorrect password. Ooh. You cannot forget the password, guys. Otherwise, you may have to start from the beginning. Here we go. It's logging me in. On. Okay. Okay. Now it's doing the final settings. I've minimized it now. Maximize it just so that it fills the whole screen. You can restore it here. This is your machine. On the background there, it's your physical machine content. So if you don't want to see it, you can just maximize your virtual machine. So it is performing the final settings. Just have to be patient here. Just have to be patient. As you can see, we have the Windows Start icon there. As normally you will see your, but then this one, remember, it's a server, it is not a client. Then you will have your server managers there, your Windows PowerShell, your control panel, and all of those. In the background, it is still opening the server manager. If it does not open it, you can open a server manager here. So we will wait for it to finish. There we go. There we go. Now we have the server manager. Now we have the server manager. Now we have what is called, it's still busy working. Look at that progress bar up there. We have the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will have configure this local server here. We will do that in a short while. And then we have local server. And then we have all servers. It is busy, hence it is so slow, it is busy working here. Now, before we can come to the dashboard here, I want us to start by configuring the local server settings here. One, we are going to change the name. As you can see, we have computer name. So we're going to change that name. We'll click here. Give it a name. What will it be? Okay, fine. Let me give it Task 2 Server as the name. Right? Now, as you can see, we have, is it a member of the domain? No, it's not a member of the domain. We will leave it as work group here. The reason why it cannot be, at some point, we are going to promote it to be the domain controller. Okay, so at this very moment, we will leave it there and then click OK. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to receive this message here. It tells you that you must restart your computer to apply these changes. Okay, before restarting, save any open files and close all programs. Just click OK. We will restart later. I want us to set the, you see there it's written Ethernet. That's where we're going to configure the IPv4 addressing. Click on that, and then you'll see there is our switch, there is our Ethernet. Now, you will want to right click here and go to properties, and go to Internet Protocol version 4, and then you'll be here. Now, this is where we're going to set our static IP address, the subnet mask, the default gateway, and the preferred DNS server. All right, let's see, what can I give? Okay, I will give it, let's say 192.168.50. Let's give it 2, and then click on the network subnet mask. The mask that you're going to use is 255.255.255.0. Okay, and then the default gateway will give it, this is the address of the switch. Okay, the default gateway 168.5. Let's make it 1, and the preferred DNS we make it 192, same as this IP address 2. And then you click OK, and then you click OK. Right, now that we have configured our IP addresses, now let's restart our PC. Let's restart our VM. You can just close there and click Start, power button, and restart. And then it's planned. Let's just say other planned, continue. While it's restarting, guys, this will be the end of this video. See you on the next video, where we will be adding some roles. Active Directory, we'll be working with Active Directory, installing Active Directory, and yeah, promoting our server to the domain. Bye for now. I'll see you on the other side.